Welcome to Gold Mobility Scooter's easy disassembly procedure for our Victory 10 line of scooters. After removing the key from the key switch, remove the basket by pushing in the holding clip and lifting up. Remove the upgraded captain seat by disengaging the seat rotation lever. Swivel the seat, then lift up and place firmly on the ground. Remove the battery cover, also called a shroud. Disconnect the battery tie-down strap. Disconnect the two battery harness connections. Grab by the handles and then remove both batteries. Release the rear latch, then unhinge the rear drive section by holding the handlebar and pushing away. Loosen the tiller knob and pull down the steering column. That's it. To reassemble, raise the steering column and tighten the tiller. Pull the rear latch and align, rehinge the rear drive section. It should snap right into place. Grabbing by the handles, replace both batteries, and then reconnect the two battery harness connections. Always remember it's red to red and white to white. Keep the colors matched. Thread, pull tight, then reconnect the battery tie-down strap. Replace the battery cover, also called a shroud. Replace the seat. And then swivel to engage the seat rotation lock. Replace the basket by aligning the holding clip and pushing down. That's it.